5 reasons why you actually don't deserve your cat. Number 1. Cats purr at a frequency that improves bone density and heals muscles and tendons. Cats are free physical therapy with whiskers. Number 2. Owning a cat can lower your risk for heart disease. In fact, cat owners are 30% less likely to have a stroke. Number 3. They make you more attractive. A study showed that 90% of single women saw men with cats in their pictures as caring and more nurturing, and they were more likely to swipe right, so I know now what I must do. Number 4. Cats improve your immune system, especially if you're introduced to them as a child. Kids that grow up with cats are less likely to develop conditions like asthma or hay fever because their immune systems don't overreact to outside stimulus and they don't fold on themselves. Number 5. Not only do cats help you live longer, they make life worth living because they fight stress, anxiety, and even fight depression. Just petting a cat can release oxytocin and reduce cortisol.